In the KSK region, Ukrainian forces executed a highly successful operation by destroying a critical pontoon bridge over the Seam River. This bridge was crucial for Russian military and logistical movements, and its destruction has significantly disrupted those operations. The strike not only crippled supply routes but also severely limited the mobility of Russian forces, weakening their presence in the area. This action is a clear example of Ukraine's ongoing efforts to dismantle Russian logistical support and enhance its own strategic advantage. Meanwhile, Ukraine's 47th Unmanned Systems Battalion conducted a precision operation targeting Russian troops. A Ukrainian reconnaissance drone identified two Russian soldiers moving through a forest towards a shelter. Reacting swiftly, Ukrainian forces targeted and destroyed the shelter. In another operation near Beachy in the 𝐷 region, Ukrainian forces used drones to eliminate a Russian 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐑 military truck. The drone located and struck the vehicle directly, rendering it inoperable. These operations demonstrate Ukraine's tactical use of unmanned aerial systems to disrupt Russian supply lines and impair their operational capacity. In the Donetsk region, Ukrainian forces continued to enhance their effectiveness with targeted strikes against Russian military infrastructure. One successful mission targeted Russia's B-21 Grad multiple rocket launcher system, a precision strike that showcased Ukraine's intelligence and strike capabilities. Following this, Ukrainian reconnaissance units identified additional military vehicles in shelters, which were swiftly neutralized. Additionally, in the Kyiv area of 𝐷, Ukrainian drone operators carried out a series of strikes against Russian military vehicles using high-speed kamikaze drones. Each vehicle was precisely targeted, resulting in devastating explosions. These operations highlight Ukraine's advanced use of unmanned systems and intelligence to disrupt Russian military activities and logistics across eastern Ukraine.